I hope all your communicants, right? Please stay. Okay, please. You still here? Tell us, please. Hollywood, please. Please. New Jersey, please. Where do you stay? California. Okay. Please, my friend. Please, my friend. Please, let's go. Please, second passport, please. Second passport.
And your ID card, American ID card. Please send me up.
Okay, thank you. Hello? My friend. Hey, let me see your passport. Let me see your passport. You're not communicating? Go back, please. Where's your passport, please? You're communicating? Yes. Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, relax. Wait. Are you okay? Okay, thank you. Oh, please. Passport. Come on, please. Passport. What is this, huh? I can't want to know. I remember. Go before. Okay, thank you. Passport? Passport? I don't have. Let me see your passport. I said I don't have any passport.
What is mine?
Why? Let me take.
America, boy,